Thank you, Honourable Speaker. Sir, the Honourable Speaker, the answer is no, but under two possible scenarios it can be considered. One is based on threat level assessments and reliable intelligence information, Honourable Speaker, sir, and of course, if there is a special request from a community that feels threatened or for whatever reason, then it may be considered. Thank you, Honourable Speaker.
Thank you, Honourable Minister. Honourable Lawil.
Thank you, Honourable Speaker. I thank the Honourable Minister for his response to the question. I'd like to post another questions. The question is, can the Minister advise whether there has been an evaluation during the defence review process of prospects for lasting peace and stability in Fiji to prevent attacks similar to the Christchurch mosque attacks?
Honourable Minister, you have the floor.
Thank you, Honourable Speaker. Honourable Speaker, sir, let me say that national security is always fluid, depending on so many trends or factors. But let me say, Honourable Speaker, sir, and assure the Honourable Members of the House that Cabinet, through the National Defence Secretariat Subcommittee, and of course the Ministry gets weekly assessments by the National Defence and Security Secretariat, and that provides us with the opportunity to constantly monitor our security situation. But in as far as long-term policies are concerned, Honourable Speaker, sir, the Ministry is currently reviewing the draft of our national our defence policy and the defence white paper, and covered under these are the threat assessments as well within the region and of course domestically as well. Thank you, Honourable Speaker, sir.